Hi, I'm Charlie from In the Kitchen with Charlie. It is not in the Consumer Studio's best interest to be associated with the events that unfolded in Season 1, Episode 7. The actions in this show do not reflect or represent the views of the Consumer Studios. Thank you. Hi, I'm TV's Charlie from In the Kitchen with Charlie. Over the past year, we've had a lot of laughs and some cries. But I'm here to show you some of my personal favorite clips from the show. Take it away. Okay, for this we're gonna use... Sorry. We're gonna... Oh, okay. Okay, while that's cooking, we're gonna make the sauce. Now, you're gonna want this Classico sun-dried tomato sauce that I like to use. Cut that open. I think I broke my apron. Boy, was I mixing up trouble that day. Check this out. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just reading. Okay. Now, while that's preheating, let's prepare our... Okay. Well...
And...
Well, if you don't have time to put something in the oven for 5 minutes, I have a more simple recipe. But you can do. Well, that seems about done, but what great times. Here's another clip.
Sorry, this is my fault. The camera, you're taller than I expected.
It's locked. It's a prop. It doesn't open. It's just a set. Some of these are really nasty. Which one's good? I'm gonna have the mocha caramel.
That's one.
Don't
gross. It tastes like coffee. That's really good.
What's that one?
That one?
Dark
No,
truffle?
No.
Dark truffle? Dark chocolate hazelnut? I'll have that one. This one. You're filming?
Charlie?
Yeah.
There's a croque monsieur.
Croque monsieur? Boy, wasn't that fun. Now, a special treat for all you In the Kitchen with Charlie fans, a clip from my very first cooking show. Take it away.
Look.
Who is that cute fellow? Well, from all of us here at In the Kitchen with Charlie, I just want to thank you for watching the show and staying with us through the good and bad times. See you next time.